Welcome to the Bose Professional Videobar VB Family Hardware Overview tutorial. Here you will learn about the hardware features built into the all-in-one USB conferencing devices that provide premium audio and video to meeting areas, from focus rooms to small rooms and up to medium-sized conference rooms. Bose Professional Videobar VB devices feature an elegant low-profile design that complements any environment. The VB1 measures 686 millimeters or 27 inches wide, 48 millimeters high or 1.9 inches, and 96 millimeters or 3.8 inches deep, and weighs only 2.5 kilograms or 5.6 pounds. The VBS weighs just 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds and is 267 millimeters, 10.5 inches wide, 48 millimeters high, or 1.9 inches, and 86 millimeters or 3.4 inches deep. Bose Professional Videobar VB devices employ several technologies to ensure both sides of the call can effectively communicate with one another. Each model features a 4K Ultra HD camera that offers a wide field of view to deliver crystal clear video and help remote participants feel like they're in the room. 5x digital zoom and camera presets allow remote participants to read small text during critical whiteboarding sessions, and when not in use, an included privacy cover can be placed over the camera of either model. Conferencing mode, an auto framing feature available in both the VB1 and VBS, is ideal for groups and enables the camera to keep in-room participants in view. Follow Me mode, available only to the VBS, is perfect for a single presenter, as the camera is optimized to frame and dynamically follow the presenter while they communicate with the remote audience. VB devices include status indicators surrounding the camera to inform participants in the room about mic mute status and Bluetooth pairing. A light bar also provides feedback, such as when a call is active or when volume is adjusted. Please refer to the owner's guide for a comprehensive list of use cases. The VB1 features 6 beam steering microphones that actively focus on voices up to 6 meters away to deliver optimized audio to remote participants. No additional microphones on the table or in the ceiling are required. Similarly, the VBS hosts 4 beam steering microphones that can pick up voices up to 4 meters away to make conversation more natural between in-room and remote participants. In addition to this, each model includes user-defined exclusion zones to help minimize unwanted noise. Both the VB1 and VBS include up to 3 zones that can be aimed at areas where microphone pickup is not desired. For clear playback and room-filling sound, the VB1 has 2 1.5-inch tall racetrack transducers, each powered by 20 watts of amplification to deliver a peak 89 decibels, max SPL. The VBS has a single racetrack transducer to deliver a peak 86 decibels, max SPL. The transducer drivers are tilted inward to minimize side reflections and localize remote participant voices to the faces on the video display. Exclusive to the VB1 are 2 buttons that enable mic mute and Bluetooth pairing. Please note these buttons are not available on the VBS. However, a remote control provides access to these features in addition to volume and camera settings, and is included with both the VB1 and VBS. Let's take a closer look at the rear panel. A standout feature for both models is the USB-C port. This is the primary connection to a computer, and it allows for one cable connection between the devices, allowing video, audio, and data to be streamed over a single cable. Connect this USB port and a PC or Mac, and the VB1 or VBS becomes the microphone, loudspeakers, and camera for the conference meeting. A 5-meter USB-C to USB-C cable is provided with the VB1. For computers without a USB-C connection, Bose Professional provides the USB-C to A adapter in the packaging. A 5-meter USB-C to USB-A cable is included with the VBS, and it also includes a USB-A to C adapter. Both models have a power input connection with a power supply included in the packaging. Next, they come with an onboard high-speed wireless network card supporting 802.11ac for use with Videobar administration software for remote management. It also provides access to the onboard browser-based version of Videobar configuration software. These next features are exclusive to the VB1, starting with a gigabit Ethernet port for installations requiring a wired connection. To the right is the HDMI port that supports DisplayLink screen sharing technology with up to 4K resolution to a connected in-room video display using the provided HDMI cable, or a wireless content sharing option like the Barco Click Share. Please note, due to the VBS lacking DisplayLink, an HDMI cable or wireless content sharing option like Barco Click Share must also be connected between the computer and display to share content on the in-room display. A 3.5mm audio jack-in is available to connect stereo line-level source devices. The control input is a 2-pin Euroblock connection that, when activated, will mute the output of the VB1. This can be connected to a building's fire alarm system. On the back of the VBS, you'll only find power and USB connections. To meet multiple mounting needs, both Videobar VB devices include mounting arms that swing in or out to be used with the included table stand or wall mount kit. A display mounting kit is available as a separate purchase, while the VBS can be mounted on third-party camera stands or tripods using its threaded adapter located underneath the device. This concludes the Bose Professional Videobar Family Hardware overview. We've shown you the hardware technologies that make it possible to have best-in-class one-cable meeting solutions. Continue your learning journey by moving through this series of tutorials. Thank you.